What is up, YouTube? How y'all doing out there? It's your boy T. I'm back again today with another Soul Supremacy beater box. This box, like I told y'all in the last one, this one is $8.50. The last one was $5.50. So a little bit more expensive than the last box. Pretty good price range still. Hopefully we have some good stuff. Just happy to be back getting the boxes, man. We took so long for things to finally start to kind of come back to normal as far as the beater boxes, but been able to pick up a few. So this one again is 850 bucks. Welcome back to the channel, man, and welcome to the channel. If y'all new here, make sure y'all hit that subscribe button. We're gonna get on there here. Hopefully we have some good stuff. All right. Hey, I already see something crazy I've never had right off top of this box, and I'm gonna be a little disappointed if this is a replacement box. Wow, right from the jump. I know a lot of you guys know what this is. This is the Nike Hyperadapt. These are the 1.0s. So this is that first model they came out with. This is a size 10. And the retail on these was 725 bucks, man. The first shoe, $850 box. We have the Nike Hyperadapts. Now I'm not gonna sit up here and cap and act like I'm a big fan of the aesthetics of this shoe, but I'm just happy with the value of this shoe. These are pre-owned. That would be nuts if they were dead stock. That would have been the box right there. But these are pre-owned. Still go for a pretty good penny online. I need to make sure these things work. I need to plug them up, make sure they work before I can get too excited. But here's the charger for them. I don't even know how to use this. This box is huge. This box is humongous. These are the, in case you don't know what they are, let me go ahead and explain, man. You charge these up, put your foot in them, and these right here are self-lacing, so they adjust to how you like them. I guess you program it to set how tight or untight you like your laces, and it comes with all of this stuff. Well, I guess this is where the charger comes out of. This box is empty, so I'm assuming this is where the charger comes out of. And that's that, man. I don't know the colorway of these. I know it's not the original colorway, and they have Earl on the tongue. Size 10 on those. It might be a little while to move them because that's gonna probably take a special buyer, but nonetheless, they are still pretty valuable in this $850 box. Now I got a ton of blue shoes in this box. One being the Cheetah Kobe's in a size 13. So we got some Kobe's, which I have not received in a long time. These are the Cheetah Kobe's. These are some beaters. No box on these. I will definitely have to do some cleaning up on these bad boys before I can post pictures and all of that stuff, which a lot of times is what keeps me from posting pictures so soon, because I need to clean them up, and I really don't have time all the time for that. We got some of the best fives to come out, in my opinion. These Wolf Grey fives were hard to me when they first dropped. These are a size 12. I think I got a glimpse of that tag, yeah. Size 12. Check these out. Another pair of beaters. Got some discoloration in the netting right there. Nonetheless, this was a fire colorway, which I wish Nike or Jordan Brand or somebody would re-release this colorway. These look better than most of the fives that are now dropping that I've seen. I haven't seen might be a few, but I haven't seen too many fives drop recently that I was a fan of. We got some New Balance 990s, and whoever had them, this is the cut shoelace. I don't know who did that to their laces or whose girlfriend drama did that to their shoes, but these are a size 13. Yeah, I think I read that right. Yeah, US size 13, M990 New Balance. They're in actually really good shape, pre-owned, and you will definitely need some more laces. The 990s. So that's 3 pair without a box. And I think that is it. The rest of these come with boxes. We got 3 pair left. So that'll put this box at a 7 shoe total. The rest of these shoes, I'm gonna do this box because I've never seen this box. I might should have waited. Okay, so this is a Flight Club box. This is a Flight Club box. I've never seen this box before. And we got some Jordans. So that's cool. So the last 3 pair of these are Jordans. We have the Stealth, if I'm remembering that correctly, the Stealth 3s with the extra laces. Really good shape. Size 12. No cracking in the midsole right there. To me, this was a pretty dope colorway too when it first dropped. It didn't get no love here in the recent years. We have a lot of stars. We do have a little star loss though. We're gonna let that fall. Check out the bottom, still pretty white, but a little bit of star loss right there at the toe. And we got laces everywhere, but you guys can pretty much see what's going on here. Size 12. I'm gonna throw those over to the side, put them back in the box later. We got an 8.5. You guys can tell from the box what these are. Size 8.5. We got some heat. Not dead stock, but in great shape. We got the 6s. Man, these are in great shape. Whoever had them took pretty good care of them. Again, in a size 8.5. Have all the inserts for them, the lace locks for them. They even, you tell whoever had them took care of their shoes. They even laced them back up like they come from the store. Size 8.5 on those. Man. Last up, we have the Tinker joints. Got the good old Tinker box. And the 3, size 12. Trying not to lose another box on the floor. Yeah, we got the Tinker 3s right here. This shoe got a lot of details on it. These are pre-owned. A lot of people didn't like the huge check, and I think it started to grow on most people. But check out the bottom. I'm trying to show you guys the stars. I feel like that's a great way to judge 1s and 3s is that sole. Boom. Not bad. Nike Air on the back. Tinker Hatfield on the tongue. If you can see that there. Look like I'm, check that out. Very dope. Size 12 on those. Will probably move really well too. Size 12s. Some reason move really fast for me. That's gonna do it, man. This is an 850 box. I think the Hyperadapt, of course, will be the money shoe in this box. That is no ifs, ands, or buts about that. All those loose shoes will definitely need a good wipe down or something. So to save those. So an 850 box. I wish I had a little bit more heat, but the adapts again will bring back more than probably 50% of the box. Hopefully, it might take a minute, but they will move and bring back a nice chunk of the change from the box. If you want to see some more better pictures of these, I know I just ran through them. Hit the Instagram. You can email me directly at TGOTSOLE@gmail.com or hit the eBay link, and I will try to have these up about time the video goes up. And I put the for sale page and the personal page down below so you guys can check out those for better pictures. Also, I'm trying to think if there's anything else I want to say. That's it, man. Hopefully I have some more boxes in. You guys make sure you subscribe, like, share, all that cool stuff. And I'm out, man. Peace.